Shoe racks have evolved from mere storage solutions into significant elements of home decor, combining functionality with aesthetic appeal. In modern interior design, the importance of organization and style has led to a reimagining of how we view furniture items traditionally considered utilitarian. A well-designed shoe rack can enhance the ambience of a space, serving not only as a practical item, but also as a statement piece that contributes to the overall decor. One of the primary reasons shoe racks are now seen as essential decor elements is their ability to organize and declutter spaces. In homes where entryways and mudrooms serve as the first impression, having a designated place for shoes can significantly enhance the overall aesthetic. A cluttered entrance can detract from the visual appeal of a home, making it feel disorganized and unwelcoming. By incorporating a stylish shoe rack, homeowners can create a tidy and inviting environment. This organizational aspect is particularly important in smaller spaces, where every piece of furniture must serve a dual purpose, functionality and style. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wooden shoe rack ideas to make your life easier. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The versatility of shoe racks allows them to fit seamlessly into various design styles, from minimalist to eclectic. In contemporary homes, sleek, modern shoe racks made from materials like metal and glass can add a touch of sophistication. These designs often feature clean lines and open structures that allow for visual flow, making them ideal for spaces that prioritize a minimalist aesthetic. On the other hand, rustic wooden shoe racks can evoke a sense of warmth and charm, fitting perfectly into farmhouse or cottage-style homes. This adaptability makes shoe racks a valuable addition to any decor scheme, enhancing the overall design narrative of a space. Moreover, shoe racks can be customized to reflect personal style. Many homeowners seek unique pieces that resonate with their tastes and values. This desire for personalization has led to an increase in DIY shoe rack projects, where individuals can create customized storage solutions that fit their specific needs while also serving as artistic expressions. By selecting colors, materials, and designs that align with their decor, homeowners can turn a functional item into a focal point that enhances the character of their space. The aesthetic appeal of a shoe rack is further enhanced by its ability to showcase footwear. For many, shoes are not just practical items. They're fashion statements and expressions of personal style. A well-organized shoe rack allows individuals to display their favorite pairs in an attractive manner, turning footwear into decorative elements rather than hidden clutter. This display aspect can be particularly effective in homes where fashion plays a significant role in everyday life. By arranging shoes in a visually pleasing way, homeowners can create a dynamic and engaging entryway that reflects their personality. In addition to their decorative qualities, shoe racks can also contribute to the overall functionality of a home. Many modern shoe racks come equipped with additional features, such as built-in benches, hooks for bags, or compartments for accessories. These multifunctional designs maximize space and enhance the usability of entryways. A shoe rack that doubles as a seating area provides a convenient spot for putting on or taking off shoes, while also serving as a decorative piece that ties the room together. This blend of functionality and style is essential in contemporary home design, where efficiency and aesthetics go hand in hand. The materials used in shoe rack construction also play a crucial role in their decorative impact. Natural wood, metal, and even wicker can imbue a space with different vibes, allowing homeowners to choose materials that align with their overall decor. For example, a wooden shoe rack can add warmth and texture to an entryway, while a metal version can introduce an industrial edge. The choice of materials can significantly affect the atmosphere of the space, making it essential for homeowners to consider how their shoe rack fits into the broader design context. Lighting can also enhance the visual appeal of shoe racks as decor elements. Properly lit shoe racks can highlight the beauty of the materials and the arrangement of footwear, creating a striking focal point in the entryway. Incorporating ambient lighting or spotlights to illuminate a shoe rack can elevate its status from a mere storage solution to a key decorative feature. This thoughtful integration of lighting design can transform the overall ambience, making the entryway feel more inviting and sophisticated. Furthermore, the placement of a shoe rack within a space is vital for maximizing its decorative impact. A well-placed shoe rack can draw the eye and create a sense of flow in the room. Positioning the rack near the entrance, for example, allows it to serve as both a functional piece and an immediate visual element that welcomes guests. Additionally, pairing the shoe rack with other decor items, such as mirrors, artwork, or plants, can create a cohesive look that enhances the overall design of the entryway. This strategic placement ensures that the shoe rack complements the existing decor rather than detracting from it. Shoe racks can also serve as a canvas for personal expression and creativity. Many homeowners enjoy customizing their storage solutions with paint, decals, or unique hardware. This DIY approach not only makes the shoe rack more visually appealing, but also imbues it with personal significance. A personalized shoe rack can reflect the homeowner's interests, hobbies, or aesthetic preferences, making it a true representation of their style. This level of engagement with home decor fosters a deeper connection to the space, allowing individuals to create environments that feel uniquely theirs. In recent years, there's been a growing trend towards sustainable and eco-friendly home decor. Shoe racks made from reclaimed wood or sustainable materials resonate with environmentally conscious consumers who seek to reduce their ecological footprint. By investing in sustainable furniture pieces, homeowners can enhance their decor while also making ethical choices. This trend aligns with a broader movement toward conscious consumerism, where individuals prioritize quality, sustainability, and craftsmanship in their purchasing decisions. The impact of shoe racks as home decor elements extends beyond their immediate environment. When designed thoughtfully, they can influence the overall experience of living in a space. A well-organized and aesthetically pleasing entryway sets the tone for the rest of the home, creating a welcoming atmosphere that makes individuals feel more at ease. This psychological effect can significantly enhance the quality of daily life, making a home feel more inviting and enjoyable. Well, there you have them, our hand-picked stylish and functional wooden shoe rack and shoe shelf design ideas. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.